Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. This is an easy door machine. This particular model does have a 62-inch stroke. Really nice and smooth action. No issues with the sled or the bearings. Now, 62 inches is a little misleading. That is going to be the total travel. So that's going to be going all the way left to your stop and all the way right to your stop. Realistically, if we look at your tooling and you look at your centers on your pneumatic hole down here, you can kind of see where it stops and where it begins. And again, if you were just to look at the center of the tooling to the edge of your clamp right about here, you should notice that depending on tooling, you're going to be able to create a panel that's somewhere between 58.5 inches to 61.5 inches. And 61.5 inches would be pushing it. This machine does have a 7.5 horsepower Leeson motor. It's currently wired 230 volt 3-phase. 1.25 spindle. That 1.25 spindle is going to accommodate up to 5.5 inches of tooling stacked. This machine is totally PLC setup. So what we mean by that is if you come in and you hit your cope, it's going to move your fence and it's going to move your spindle to your cope. If you come down and hit your rail and style, it is going to adjust your fence, again, adjust your spindle height. And yet again, if we come down and hit your panel, it's going to yet again adjust your spindle height and your rear fence. The rear fence basically acts as a stop to stop your material when you load it in. If we come up here, you can clamp. That's going to lower your clamp and of course raise your clamp. You do have your retract button here. That's simply going to retract your back fence. Of course, we can turn it on. It's a very quiet running machine. This is a very, very clean easy door machine. It has seen low, maybe moderate use at best, but this is a very low use machine. It is also going to come with the tooling, tools, and arch templates that you see here. If you have any comments or questions, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.